How to use image playground in Freeform board on your Mac. So open your Freeform project and in the top menu bar click on Insert and here click Image Playground. It will open you this AI tool and you can place it whatever you want. So here are some suggestions. Here is my photo. I'm gonna, for example, add the set, add the space, and it will create an image basically on these factors. So this is my new created image. You can, for example, add another one, or you can describe an image here and it will create automatically the new image. It's creating more than one images, so you can go to the right and choose which one you want. If you want to remove some factor of this, for example, I'm gonna remove the sad one and add, for example, the angry. This one looks too angry, but I'm gonna click done in right down corner area and it will add this image to your Freeform board or project. So this is how you can use the image playground in your Freeform. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.